This is going to be a video product review of the Spark LED headlamp made by Vont. The Vont Spark LED headlamp comes in a 2-pack. It is super bright. You can use this for running. You can use this when you're walking the dog, hiking, when you were sewing, anything where you want to put this strap around your head and have light in front of you. It has a 45-degree adjustable lamp. You insert the batteries in the back over here. It takes 3 AAA batteries. I'm going to put them in now. To put in the batteries, all you do is lift this piece over here and you insert your 3 batteries. The lamp has an incredible battery life of up to 90 hours. It has a 7-light mode. It is low, medium, SOS, strobe for the main light, a low SOS, a strobe light on the side. So let me show you what that looks like. We have very little light in the room now, so this is the switch that you're going to use. Wow, that is bright. Very hard to see with the camera how bright this is, but this is a very powerful light. Let me shine it towards the forward curtain. This is the first setting. Second. This is really bright. This is powerful. So this would be very handy if you were doing electrical work, repairs where you have to turn the power off. If there's a power failure, if you were hiking, if you're walking the dog at night. Whoa! Now, for me, there have been a few occasions where I've had to call the fire department out to where I live, and I have to carry a flashlight with me. The firemen, they have one of these on their forehead. Not this brand, but they've got this on their forehead. So when I flash down the firemen, I have to take my flashlight and flicker it to get it in this mode. You don't have to do that when you are using the Vont Spark Headlamp LED. This is great. It's wonderful. I love it. Let's look at it from the bottom right now. And press the button. Very simple to do. You don't have a lot of buttons to press. You don't have a lot of things that you need to worry about. It's just very simple to use. It's waterproof, drop-proof. And again, this is the really neat thing. I love this. You have this 45-degree angle, so you're not going to hurt your neck. You can point it downward. You can aim it right in front while you have it strapped onto your body. So I want to show you the rest of the modes. We have press, we're strobing, we're bright, and then if you press the button for 3 seconds, which I'm going to do, check that out. Is that incredible? So you have 2 red lights, 2 red LEDs, and then you press it again, you have a flashing, and then you press it again, and you strobe it at a fast pace. Lights are off. We're going to try this again. Press the button. We have solid red lights. These are bright. It's a nice beam. Press it again. We have a slow strobe. Press it again. You have the fast strobe. Press the button to shut it off. Hold it for 3 seconds while it is on, and we will switch over, sorry about that, to this mode. Bright, bright, very bright. Whoa! And then the strobe. This is an incredible product made by Vont, the Spark LED headlamp, a 2-pack. The price is incredible. This is extremely bright, as you saw. And let's show that one last time. We'll go into the red mode. It comes in a 2-pack. I will leave a link in the video description. Click on the link. It will take you directly to Amazon where you can order the 2-pack of Vont Spark LED headlamp.